What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to use the basic limits of limit of sine x over x when x is approaching 0 equals to 1 and limit of cosine x minus 1 over x when x is approaching 0 equals to 0. To find the following limits, so we have 4 different questions and based on these 2 limits we need to answer. First one is a limit of 2t over sine t when t is approaching 0. So how can I do that? I'm gonna change it and have, instead of 2t, I'm gonna write t over sine t multiplied by 2 when t is approaching 0. Then I take this 2 before that, limit of t over sine t, t is approaching 0. So it's gonna be 2 times 1, that's gonna be equal to. Next one, limit of cosine x squared minus 1 divided by x squared when x is approaching 0. So in this case, what we can do, when x is approaching 0, x squared is approaching 0 as well. So that's going to be equal to, based on what we had here, that's going to be equal to 1. Next one, limit of sine 6x over sine 5x when x is approaching 0. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna multiply both of them by 6x over 6x times 5x over 5x. Then what I can do, I'm gonna rearrange it in this form. Sine 6x over 6x times 5x over sine 5x multiplied by 6x over 5x when x is approaching 0. Then as you see here, x and x cancels out. Sine 6x over 6x is going to be 1. 5x over sine 5x is going to be 1 as well. And we have 6 over 5. So the answer to this limit is 6 over 5. Or if I want to write it in terms of decimals, it's going to be 1.2. Next one, limit of tan 2x over x when x is approaching 0. So in this case, I'm going to have tan 2x divided by 2x and multiplied by 2. So basically multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 when 2x is approaching 0, because we know when x is approaching 0, 2x is approaching 0 as well. So this part is going to be 1. Why? Because tan is the same as sine over cosine. So this, I'm going to expand it. Sine 2x over 2x. 2 over cosine 2x. Limit when 2x is approaching 0. So the first one is 1. The second one is going to be 2 over cosine 0 is 1. So it's going to be 1 times 2. The answer is going to be 2. So the answer to this limit is going to be 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.